Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today is some tilapia soup, live soup. Yes, you're going to love every bit of it. But before we start, please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. And so I'm going to start with cow feet. Yes, with some beef in there. I'm sprinkling some salt on it. I'm going to add my seasoning, that is all purpose seasoning, to it. Then I'll add a mixture of blended onion, garlic, ginger, and natural mixed spices to it. I'll add water to it, enough water. Take it to fire for it to boil very well. And so please, if you are watching me and you haven't subscribed, I beg, subscribe for me. So this is it. It has boiled very well and I'm adding enough water to it for the soup. Yes, when we say soup, we mean soup. Yes. So I add more water, and also I have a boiled ingredient of tomatoes, garden eggs, pepper, onion, and then turkey berries. So I'm going to blend all these together. Okay, so I've added a blended mixture to the soup on fire. Rinse the blender with water and add it to it. Yes, and so this is it. So we are going to cover this, give it enough time to cook, but before then I'm going to add tomato paste to it, just a little to it, to give it a beautiful color, and also to add a bit of thickness to it. Yes, so I'm going to cover this and give it time for it to cook. Okay, so we are checking on it, and at this point it has cooked very well. My cow feet meat has softened a bit, so I can add my tilapia fish to it. Yes, and so tilapia doesn't take long to cook, and so when you are preparing soup with it, make sure that your soup is at least 70 to 80% through, well cooked, before you add the tilapia. So the moment the tilapia cooks, then your soup is ready, so that you don't get it mashed in the soup. And so our soup is about 80% ready. Yes, and so we are adding our tilapia to it. If you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, I beg you, consider subscribing. Click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Like this video for me, share, and leave a comment as well. Okay, and you have to be gentle with the tilapia fish also. I'm going to leave the ingredients in the description box for you so that you can refer to it. Don't cover it fully, cover it halfway and give it time to cook. And so our soup is 98% ready. Yes, it's 98% ready, and I'm going to add okro and pepper, chili pepper to it. Yes, and then cover for about 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes, and it's ready. Okay, so let's cover and give it time for it to cook. And so our tilapia soup is ready. Yes, ready. I lowered the fire for it to simmer, and now the soup is ready to be enjoyed. Do you get it? Yes. And so try this simple recipe and you're going to love it. Okay, so this is our soup. You can serve it with your fufu, your banku, or anything you want soup with. Or you can better still drink it like that, and it's satisfying. It's enough to satisfy you. Thanks so much for watching. Share this video, like for me. Bye bye.